Hello everyone, myself Miss Manisha Naik. I have started the industrial chemistry paper number 16, the unit first, that is a chapter sugar industry. In last 2-3 lectures we have studied about the introduction, also about the manufacture of cane sugar. In that we have studied extraction of juice, clarification, concentration, crystallization, centrifugation. We have studied these points in the manufacture of cane sugar. Now in this lecture we are going to study the byproducts of sugar industry. Remember, we are going to study byproducts of sugar industry. See, extraction of juice, clarification of juice, then concentration of juice to syrup, then next point crystallization of sugar. In that we have studied graining and growth of crystal, centrifugation, refining of sugar. Now we are going to study the byproducts of sugar industry. See, there are three main products, that are corn taps, bagasse, filter muds and molasses. See, there are three main byproducts of sugar: cane tops, bagasse, filter muds and molasses. From these two main products we are going to study bagasse and molasses. In details we are going to study bagasse and molasses. See, what is a bagasse? When we extract the juice, there is a residue which is left over. Remember, when we extract a juice, there is a residue which is left. That residue is known as fibrous residue, and that fibrous residue is nothing else but bagasse. Remember, what is a bagasse? It is a fibrous residue left after extraction of juice. The bagasse contains 50 to 60% of water, cellulose 21%, pentose 30%, lignin 20%, ash 3%. These are the contents present in percentage in a bagasse. Bagasse is nothing but fibrous residue. Okay, there are uses of the bagasse. It is mainly used as a captive fuel for generator steam, for generation of electricity, for the production of sugar. Remember, it is used as a captive fuel for generation of steam, for generation of electricity. Second one is surplus bagasse. It is used for the manufacture of the cellotex, which is a hard board. It is harder and stronger than wood. Also, it is a bad conductor, so it has a high insulating. Remember, surplus bagasse is used for hardboard, which is known as cellotex. It is strong than wood. It is a bad conductor, so it has a high insulating. Second one is dry depthed bagasse. It is used for the wrapping paper, which has a good quality. Remember, dry depthed bagasse is used for manufacture of good quality wrapping paper. It is also used as a cattle feed. Remember, it is also used as a cattle feed. Second we are going to study is molasses. When the crystallization takes place, the liquor is left over. Remember, when the crystallization process takes place, the liquor left over, that is known as mother liquor, and that mother liquor is nothing else but molasses. What is molasses? It is a mother liquor left after crystallization. Molasses is also known as a black strap. Remember, molasses is also known as a black strap. It is mainly used for the manufacture of ethyl alcohol. In India, most of the manufacture of alcohol is carried out by using molasses. It is also used for the production of chemicals like acetaldehyde, acetone, acetic acid. Everyone are familiar with these chemicals such as acetaldehyde, acetone and acetic acid. It is also used for the rare chemical like chloronic acid. Remember, it is also used for the rare chemical like chloronic acid. It is also used for the adjunct of animal feed. It is also used for adjunct of animal feed. We have studied at one point, that is a manufacture of ethyl alcohol from molasses. That point we are going to study in details. So the next point we are going to discuss is manufacture of ethyl alcohol from molasses. For what purpose is ethyl alcohol is used? It is used for feedstock, beverage, solvent in industries. See, most of manufacture of alcohol in India is carried out by using molasses. What is a molasses? It has a dark colored syrup liquid. Remember, it is a dark color syrup liquid. Its manufacture involves 3 steps. First one is preparation of wort. It is known as fermentation medium. What is a wort? Molasses contains aqueous solution. That aqueous solution is known as a wort. Okay, it is used for the continued quantities of yeast. It is used for continuous quantities of yeast. What is the work of wort? It promotes the growth of yeast. It promotes the growth of yeast. Wort is nothing but fermentation media. Aqueous solution present in molasses is known as wort, and it is used for promote growth of yeast. Okay, the steps in preparation of wort are dilution of molasses. Sugar, it is diluted by 10 to 15% dilution. How it is diluted? 1 volume of molasses mixed with 5 volume of water. Remember, 1 volume of molasses is mixed with 5 volume of water. In that way, 10 to 15% of sugar is diluted. So, it is a dilution of molasses. Molasses get fermentable sugar such as sucrose and fructose. 50 to 60% of the sugar is fermentable such in form of sucrose and fructose. Second one is addition of ammonium salts. The nitrogenous compound which is present in molasses is not sufficient for the growth of yeast. So, for the sufficiency of the yeast growth, nitrogenous content what is added, that is phosphate. Remember, addition of ammonium salt, that is phosphate, which is added in molasses for the sufficient yeast growth, that is nitrogen content. Second one is addition of sulfuric acid. Yeast growth, bacterial growth retard. To retard the bacterial growth, the yeast growth pH is reduced by addition of sulfuric acid. Remember, to retard the bacterial growth, yeast growth pH is reduced by 4.6 to 5.0, but by addition of H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid. Second one is addition of bactericides. To block the unwanted bacterial growth, remember, the bacteria which are not required, to stop or to block that growth of bacterial, the bactericides like zinc oxide, penicillin, etc. are added to molasses. Okay. The next point is preparation of charge. Charge in a column yeast culture addition worth. Remember, charge in column yeast culture addition worth. What is in a column? It is prepared by sterilized fermentation budding process. Remember, in a column yeast culture addition worth is prepared by sterilized fermentation by budding process. These are the 2 points we have studied in the manufacture of ethyl alcohol from molasses, and the remaining points we are going to study in next lecture. Thank you.